Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome to my channel. And in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can sign up to Spotify, and it's pretty simple. So follow the steps which I'm gonna be showing you guys. And before I show you the way, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button to our channel so you guys can stay notified for our future video. And let's start the video. Now, first you wanna go to your browser and go to the website called spotify.com. You wanna go to spotify.com. Once you go to spotify.com, you can click the sign up button over here. Click on it. Once you click on sign up button, it's gonna take you over here. Now you can enter your email and confirm your email again by typing it again and create a password for your account. What should we call you? By that, it means what your username is on Spotify. You want to enter your username, what you want on your Spotify, and over here enter your date of birth, and over here choose your gender, male, female, or non-binary. Click on I'm not a robot, and after that you want to click on where it says sign up, and you should be signed up to Spotify. And yeah, remember that it's gonna send you a confirmation email over here on your email to verify if it is your email or not. So you want to go to your email and check if Spotify have sent you a verification email, and you want to click on the email and click on the verify email button over there, and your email should be verified. After that, your Spotify account will be open. Or the another one is you want to click on where it says sign up with Facebook. And once you click on sign up with Facebook, it's going to take you over here. Once you click on continue with Facebook, it's going to take you over here. Now over here, you want to enter your Facebook's email or phone number, whichever thing you use when you created your Facebook account, and its password, and click on login, and your account will be automatically created according to your Facebook preferences and your profile. And that's another way how you guys can create a Spotify account. So these are the steps on how you guys can create a Spotify account or sign in into Spotify. So if you guys found this video helpful, then consider hitting that like button and subscribe to our channel as well. To get notified for more Spotify related video. And if you guys have any question, drop it down in the comment. I'll get to you as soon as I can and help you guys with it. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye bye.